The volcano reveals its majesty in all its beauty. Red lava glows in the night, smoke rises high into the sky, and the rumble of the eruption echoes through the valleys, captivating with its power. The surrounding landscape seems alive, every rock and tree trembling from the heat and shaking of the ground. Yet this beauty hides danger. Scorching lava flows can incinerate forests, destroy villages, and poison the air with toxic gases. A volcano is both nature's artwork and its destructive force. Each eruption reminds us that the Earth is alive, its power both terrifying and awe-inspiring.